Stock number 41107G. This is a 2016 Volvo XC60. Started with the hood open because I had problems with the latch. It does have a key, but will not start because of the cooling, I believe. It's all damaged. Condenser, radiator, and fan are all damaged. Bumper is no good. Bumper reinforcement is also no good. Grill is missing. Is actually damaged. The hood is no good. Left headlight is good. Right headlight is good. Windshield is good. Left fender, no good. Left front wheel, these are 18-inch. Left front door has some minor scratches on the paint, into the metal actually. Has a dent right there. Left rear door is good. Left quarter panel has a dent. Left rear door, left rear wheel. Left tail light is good. Right side tail light is good. Spoiler is good. Deck lid is good. Rear bumper has a scratch on the left side. Paint is chipped off. Paint is chipped to the center. Left quarter panel is good. Left rear wheel, I'm sorry, right rear wheel is good. This is the right rear quarter panel. Right rear door has a dent in it. Right front door is good. Passenger mirror is good. Right side fender is good. Right front wheel. Right front door panel is good. Passenger side airbag is not deployed, it is good. But The driver's wheel bag is deployed. Center console is good. Right side front seat is leather, tan. It is electric. Passenger sun visor is good. Right front seatbelt is good. Seatbelts are black. Driver's side front seatbelt is no good. Driver's seat tan leather is nice. Driver's sun visor is good. Left rear seatbelt is good. Center seatbelt is good. This is stock number 41107G, 2016 Volvo XC60.